Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have another installment in my thredUP Rescue box unboxings. I've done a few of these already before and I will link those down below. I also am looking at quite a number of other boxes that I still have to unbox for y'all. So if you want to see what kind of items I get in these thredUP Rescue boxes, definitely keep on watching. Also consider hitting that subscribe link down below as well so you don't miss future unboxings as well. So those of you who might be new here, welcome. I am a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling journey here on Poshmark. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting to you, please consider again checking out my other videos and definitely subscribe too. So for today, I have another thredUP Rescue box unboxing, and I'm a little bit addicted to these things. I do love sourcing on my own, but it's kind of fun to get these kind of surprise boxes as well, in hopes too that I might find some things that I want to keep for myself personally. So I have another one for you here today, and this is another designer handbag unboxing. I've done one of these previously, and I will say I was a little bit underwhelmed by my first designer handbag box. I just didn't really think it was all that great. I haven't even listed a lot of those things, to be honest with you, because I'm not totally excited about it, but I do need to get on that. But I decided to pick up another one of these as well to give it a second try, and let's see what I get. I've said in other videos, I have a really hard time sourcing nice handbags. So handbags in particular, I really want to find a way to get some really nice ones. So I'm hopeful that this box will turn out to be a good one for me. So if you haven't heard of thredUP before, it's basically a huge online thrift store, and you're able to buy really cool items for a discounted price. They also offer these rescue boxes where I believe these are items that were sitting in their closet for too long or have some minor flaws that they can resell to someone like me who's a reseller and potentially could fix things up or want to resell them on my own. So that's what a rescue box is. You get them for a pretty decent price point as well. So if you at all are interested in checking out thredUP and want to make some purchases of your own, please consider using my referral links down below. That'll save you some money. I think it saves you $10, and it'll also give me a little bit of a kickback as well, so I can use that toward purchasing more rescue boxes like these. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the unboxing, and this arrived in the mail and I have not opened it at all. It's a pretty small box, so I believe this is retailing for $90. It should include 3 handbags that are supposedly designer, or I shouldn't say designer, I think it's name brand handbags. And you know, we'll see what it looks like in here. I think it also comes with 2 accessories, so 3 name brand handbags and 2 accessories. So let's go ahead and just jump into this. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up here, and it looks pretty nicely packaged this time. It's always a hit or miss with how the packaging looks here. I believe, again, this is retailed for $90, and it's called the Name Brand Handbag Rescue Box. So let's just jump into what's in here. This is really nicely packaged. It has some air paper in here. The first bag I have in here looks like it's a really cool pop of color, especially for this time of year, going into spring and summer. It is Rebecca Minkoff. It seems like there's always a Rebecca Minkoff in some of these name brand handbag boxes, but I'm not unhappy about that. I think it's a great line of purses. It looks like a really cool crossbody, which is perfect for this time of year. It has a removable strap with clips, as you can see here, and it has a triple zipper entry in the front, which is kind of nice, and hopefully all these zippers work, which they do. I always have to check because it is a rescue box, of course. And there's a nice zip top on the top. And awesome, it comes with a dust bag, which is pretty rare, but that's going to be awesome for reselling, which is really nice. There is some wear on the lining here, but not bad. You can see there's some wear that I'll try to clean up a little bit. And the Rebecca Minkoff tag is right on the inside here, and it's also branded on the zippers, but there's the tag. So there's definitely a little bit of corner wear, like a lot of bags have. Not sure you can see that there. And there's definitely some wear on the leather of the back. But overall, for a rescue bag, not bad. There's definitely still a lot of life left in this, let me just say that. And it's really fun for this time of year. Perfect for vacations, going to the beach, things like that, and it's beautiful leather. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. I think it's a really cool style. So let's see what we got next. looks like the accessories are next. And the accessories, I'll say, in these Name Brand Handbag boxes, and again you get 2 accessories, really have been fails for me. I just don't think you can resell these things for a lot. Usually it's a little wallet or a little accessory that often has a decent amount of wear. So these small leather goods, even more than handbags, I think, get a lot of wear because you're using them day in and day out. So usually you switch out your handbags, but you don't always switch out your wallets. So they get a lot of wear and tear, I'd say. And this is no exception, as you'll see. This is from Kate Spade. I've seen this many times before, outsourcing and also at the outlet stores. But it's a beautiful Kate Spade wallet. I really like the color, at least. It's a very neutral color. I go for these kind of neutral style wallets. You can see the Kate Spade there. There is a lot of wear though on it, as you can see here. So I'll try to clean this up as much as I can. But it's beautiful leather, and it's just kind of open flap style wallet with a button closure or snap closure. It has a bunch of credit card slots, which is really nice. I like these really streamlined wallets, so if it doesn't sell, I may just try to use it for a little bit. It has some billfold areas. It has a Kate Spade logo on the bottom there with the ID window, and then it just snaps shut, and there is a coin pouch in the back. So this particular wallet I don't think is going to resell for a whole lot. I may just throw it up on Poshmark and see what happens. I think there is some good life left in it. It's not broken or anything, that's for sure, but there is a decent amount of wear, so hopefully I can clean it up a little bit before I try to resell it. And then I think this is considered an accessory, although it looks kind of nice for an accessory. Let's see, it looks like a little handbag. I'm not sure which brand this is. It's really nice chain. It looks like it's a shoulder / crossbody. I think this could fit crossbody for sure. The chain is really weighty. So I think this is probably going to be considered an accessory because I think the last 2 things look like handbags. So let's see. It's this really nice snake print too. I don't see any signs of wear on this so far. Oh, awesome. I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. This is actually Henry Bendel, which I think their stuff is being discontinued and their store's closed, but this is a really cute, fun little accessory. I may try to keep this one for myself. I don't see any major signs of wear. It's a beautiful kind of snake print style. And there's the Henry Bendel, the HB logo on there with the little dog as well. And then it has a magnetic snap closure. And this also comes with a dust bag, which is awesome. I love how these things are coming with dust bags. So yes, Henry Bendel. I have a fair amount of Henry Bendel bags. I just hadn't seen this logo before, so I didn't recognize it. But it is branded on the grommets as well. So it seems to be like a little pouch crossbody. It has a beautiful lining, and look at the branded tag there. It's just really gorgeous. So the lining looks to be amazing. I mean, this is really, looks pretty new. I mean, I don't really see any signs of wear on this thing. So this is a cool one. I think it's considered an accessory. Maybe it's meant to be just like a cell phone case, maybe. It's really small, but I love Henry Bendel. I think it retails for a lot. I'll have to check comps and see how these things resell, but I'm really happy about this one. This is the kind of thing I like too. These are little small crossbodies I think are super practical, for me at least, and you can kind of throw them in your tote bags too, which is nice. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. Okay, this next one, oh, Longchamp. That's a good brand. Wasn't sure what this was going to be, but this looks pretty good. There's some signs of wear, but it's a Longchamp bag. I'll have to try to clean it up a little bit, as you can see on the front there. But it's this white kind of patent pebbled bag. You can see it says Longchamp. It's hard to see, but maybe you can make it out there. And it's a crossbody too, which is perfect. I'm loving these crossbodies. I've had 3 bags so far that are crossbodies. Perfect for this time of year. So this bag is just awesome. It has the removable straps, and this one is adjustable. Love Longchamp. I think they make really cool, nice quality bags. This may be an older style though, it's hard to tell. But the inside has really clean lines here. Make sure the zipper works, and it does. It has the classic Longchamp zipper pull there. And inside is actually really clean too. It's this really nice gray tone lining, and it's branded as well, so you'll be able to see the Longchamp tags in here. And there is the authenticity type of tag here. It says Longchamp made in France. And inside there also is this really cool key kind of leash or keeper for your keys. So this is another great one. I mean, the only signs of wear really I think are on the outside, and with this kind of patent type of material, I'm hopeful that I can just wipe this off a little bit and clean it up. But I think this is gonna be a good one to sell too. I love the pop of white for this time of year, so yeah, this is a good one. And then I should have one final bag. And oh, this is nice too. This is Kate Spade. Oh, this is cute. All right, so here is this bag. So it's Kate Spade, as you can see. It's this kind of satchel style tote. I think this is a perfect work bag. I love the pop of color too, which is super fun. The outside looks really good. It's leather, as you can tell. And I don't see any major flaws. There's definitely a little bit of scuffs on it, but nothing major. And the bottom too looks pretty clean. There's a few bits of corner wear as expected in most of these bags, but not bad. And inside, well, let's just see if the zipper works. Yes, luckily the zipper works, which is good. Yeah, there we go. So the inside looks pretty much super clean, maybe even not really used much. Love that polka dot, look at it, super fun. And it has a back wall zipper, it has some slip pockets on the other side, but just a really big open tote. And here's the Kate Spade tag. So this is really another awesome one. Super happy about this one. I think this is going to do pretty well too. I love this pop of color. The only problem with these kind of boxes is every bag I get, I kind of want to keep a little bit. I know I have to resell these things, but I mean, this is a gorgeous bag. I think it's great for work, I'll say. And I love the zip top closure. It can hold everything. It'll hold, I think, a laptop and papers and whatnot. So that's an awesome one too. All right, so guys, this box was a lot better than my last box, and if you haven't seen the last box unboxing, I will link it down below. But that box, I was definitely underwhelmed with, like I said, and I was really hesitant to buy another one like this for that reason. But this one, I can tell you, is going to do a lot better. I literally like all the items, maybe with the exception of the wallet, which I don't think I can really resell for much. The other 4 items, I think, are major scores. 2 of them even came with their own dust bags, which is like amazing for reselling. So I think these are all good. There isn't a significant amount of wear on any of these either. So since this was such a good one, I think in the future I might consider other name brand handbag rescue boxes as well. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see if I go for more of these things. If you have any questions about my experience with thredUP rescue boxes or reselling in general, definitely leave them down in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, again, please subscribe so you can see future videos like this one. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching again, and I will plan to see you in my next video. Bye!